Good morning, everybody. How we doing? Good morning. Give everybody a couple minutes to hop up in here. Hold on one second. One second. Just got to reply to an email and then we are good to go. Good morning. Cool. Let's rock. Today we got GDP. Good old GDP at 8:30. Let's see what else we got. I know we got jobless claims. That's going to be at 8:30. And then durable goods, trade balance, pending home sales at 10. Awesome. Good morning, everyone. So, we are trading at a huge area on ES. Huge. Which is going to be this monthly 21 EMA. We can reclaim 41.85. Longs are on the table for me. So I will be looking for upside if we can reclaim that. Monthly 21 EMA right here. We saw a reaction off of it yesterday in the overnight session. So if we go to the 5-minute time frame, as soon as we tapped it, price reclaimed it, or not reclaimed it, but saw some buyers come in, and then they pushed price up to 41.97 from that point. So let's double check that I actually have like that drawn correctly. No. What is the exact level? Like 41.8725, I believe. We'll just put 41.8750. So if we can reclaim that level, EMA monthly, longs are on the table. So that's really going to depend on GDP. Next bounce, I don't have for a while. But again, we have that monthly squeeze, which is going to be very important. So we're going to have to see how this monthly candle closes. If we start supporting this level over the next couple months, I'm willing to take leaps back up into these highs over here. But as far as today, what are we liking? Again, if we reclaim that, longs, take that off. Take that off, bingo. All right, so pivot low, pivot high. Broke that 61.8, so that's no longer valid. Not a big fan of that pivot low, pivot high. And then we got, all right, we're trading right at that 50% retracement on ES. So that's going to be a big level. Again, ideally would like to see us hold above 41.87, but if we spike back down, maybe find support down at this 50% retracement, I'd be willing for longs also, but ideally above here. So as we can see, huge level, maybe a daily candle close above. I'd be willing to swing spy into the end of the week. Typically, I don't like to swing trade spy, but we'll see. Cool. Let's see, 816. But yeah, if we start breaking that, got nothing. Nothing till down here. And then if we start pushing, we do have some daily supply right here that we could watch. Right there. Daily supply. Boom. Oh. Awesome. And then, I mean, really no good fibs until we find a bottom. So right now I don't have any good fibs. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. I mean, maybe here to here, it's not like a really good fib to use. What about the 4 hour? A little more clear on the 4 hour. So we'll see. But ideally, if I'm gonna look for a reject, more than likely that daily supply is the best area right now, unless GDP rips us right through it. Then we can look for other levels up here. But I don't know, we'll see. Puts below 4170. Look for more downside, and then extension. Cool. That's everything on ES. Let's head on over to SPY. It is freezing in my house right now. Freezing. I'd like to see us reclaim 415. Monthly 21 EMA on SPY is at 416.45. What's up? So 21 EMA monthly. Boom. We're at a weird area. We break below 414. I'll look for more downside. SPY is, I mean, a decently below that monthly 21. But would like to see us reclaim it. Possible longs. So we'll see about that. This zone, I don't want anymore. Cool. So yeah, ideally you want to see us above here. Possible rejects. Again, start using that 4 hour fib right here. Pivot high, pivot low. Look for a reject wherever that ends up being. Boom, boom. 419.75, 421.1. So we could watch that. That's not valid. That's not valid. Cool. Awesome. So that's everything on SPY for the time being. QQQ. Delete. Let's see. I mean, maybe a reject at 350. Check the monthly here. Still got a while to go until that monthly 21 EMA. So nothing there. Possible reject. Whoops. 350. Yeah, everybody's options froze yesterday. I was stuck in a Spotify position yesterday during that. That is not good advice. NIN. Not good advice. But if that's what works for you, that's what works. I don't suggest it. Alrighty, so break below 345, downtrend. Reject 350, hold above 350, look for upside. No good bounces on QQQ for a while. So that's it on there. I'm gonna have to turn the heat on. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. There's no way it is only 63 in this house. Feels more like 50. Whatever. NQ really close to the bounce, 14,207. So if it can get down there, I'm definitely very interested in trying a potential bounce. As far as a reject, I mean, this level's been pretty big. The daily supply up there. This level's been big. So potentially use that. If we get above there, then we could watch daily supply. As far as fibs, again, if we were to find a bottom right there, we could use here to here. And this level right here does line up perfectly with that previous low right there. So nice little reject level, get above there, watch there, and then we have a huge supply zone. So bounce here, rejects up here. Cool. Let's see where we're at on SPX. 4,200 possible reject. 4,150 is a big level. 4,155. Fine. Cool. Actually, like 4,155 all the way down to 4,140 is a huge level. That entire area. So let's do that. Cool. Good morning. Hopefully everyone's having a good morning so far. Hopefully everybody's ready to print. All right, so there's ESNQ, SPY, QQQ, SPX. Let's start taking a look at some individuals. See if we like anything, and then we'll move on. GDP, 830. So let's run through this bad boy real quick. Let's start with Apple. Don't care about. AMD. Reject at 96.50 looks good. That 1 hour 21 EMA. Amazon, they report today, so I'm not going to touch that. Boeing, don't care about. Bob, I don't care about. Coin got slaughtered. Costco, don't care about. GLD, definitely going on the watch list. And GDP should definitely move GLD, so we'll see with that. But that 4 hour squeeze still looks really good. Interested if price can get back down towards that 4 hour 21 EMA for a bounce. So we're going to keep that one there. Google. Minus one. Or actually, no, it did fill the gap. 123. I mean, if Google really pumped, I'd look for a reject up there. But sure, we have other setups that we could watch. Come on. Why are you not loading? What's going on? Why is this not loaded? There you go. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my lord. Bruh. Is anybody else's ThinkorSwim like this? Is it just that chart? There you go. Jeez. Don't know what that was all about. All right, Meta. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done that. Okay. 287. Yeah, no. Nothing on Meta. Again, I mean, if it pumped up towards like 298 to 300, I'd be interested in a reject, but right now, no. Microsoft, I feel like, let's see. Okay, so it held that 61.8. I feel if there was market strength, I think Microsoft could potentially push. So, again, depending on GDP, we get that in 3 minutes. That'll determine that one. Netflix. Don't really care about that. NVIDIA. Can look for a reject if you want. We looked at QQQ. Spotify. Don't think I will ever trade this stock again. So that's going to go off the day trading watch list, and that's going to go on the ban list. And Tesla. Still really only interested if Tesla gets down towards 200 for a potential bounce. So, stocks I like: AMD, GLD, Microsoft. And then we got GDP dropping here in 2 minutes. Two minutes. I got stuck in a trade yesterday on Spotify, and it would have worked out. Got my bounce. Let's see. Yeah, Spotify. There we go. Got my bounce level right here. Was long. Popped up about $1.50. Could have caught a nice little scalp out of it. Got the stop around and break even, slightly under break even. Contracts went out, couldn't sell, and then I was down about 40% when I was able to sell. I thought it was going to be a lot worse when this candle kicked in. So, I thought for sure it was going to be a big old red day. Well, the spreads suck too on the options. That's why it's on the ban list. Back over to yes. I haven't traded Spotify in it's been a long time. Long time. All right, let's see GDP. What you got? $8.30. Ding, ding, ding. Uh, 4.9 versus 2.1. Previous 4.5. That's good. See how the market reacts to that, though. Again, I would like to see us hold above 41.87 for longs. Good morning. Again, make sure you guys are running up them likes. We got 215 people in here and only 90 likes. No, I was in Shopify. For that swing. What we gonna do? We gonna hold? We gonna clear? We shall see. Honestly, not that big of a reaction so far. Just waiting. All right, we're getting above the level. Give it a couple more minutes. Give it till 8:35. Fed's not even speaking. It's GDP. I don't know. It keeps unadjusting them. It might not be. Yeah, it is. Nice move so far. Alrighty, so 4250, that's our supply zone. Only fib level I'd be interested in, there to there. So those could come into play. In the meantime, as long as we hold 4187.5, those longs are on the table for me. Got a little mini gap overnight that we can fill too. So take advantage of that. Only about 50 cents on SPY, but take advantage of that. Overnight gap entry. Overnight gap 2. Cool. All right. So, as long as we hold that level, that's good for me. Those levels are all finalized. SPY. Would like to see us get above 416.50. Possible reject. Here to here. So not until 420. We lose 414. We'll look for the downtrend entry. QQQ. I think we already, I don't know. Did we hit it off of GDP? Yeah, so we hit 350 off of GDP. Still could be a reject level, just not too sure because we already tagged it. We'll see how the market reacts if we get back up there. NQ. Have a nice reject level that we can watch up here, that 14,586 to 14,603. So we'll see that. Downtrend entry below these lows. And then bounce 14,207. Cool. All right, AMD, GLD, and Microsoft. So AMD, we're $1 away from the reject. GLD, of course, hit the bounce that I was watching, but we are going to watch this for an uptrend entry. That's definitely going on the list. And like I said, if the market gets strength, Microsoft is going to be the one I want to watch. Cool. Let's do this. So let's get the SPY levels. All right. SPY. Reject. 419.75 to 420. What's below 414? QQQ. Or no, we're gonna have to trade QQQ based off of NQ today. There we go. NQ's got better levels. Using NQ levels today. Reject. 14,586 to 14,602. Bounce. 14,207.38. 207 point, we'll put 5. All right, GLD. Still watching the 4-hour squeeze. Looking for an uptrend entry. Microsoft, if the market is strong today. Cool. The market is strong. I like that one to the upside. Look for an uptrend entry, and then AMD 1 hour 21 EMA reject. Cool. That is everything I like today. Question is, are we going to hit that 1 hour 21 EMA before the market opens? We're about $1 off. So we'll see. But I do like it. I do like it a lot. So let's see how price reacts if it comes back down towards that monthly 21 EMA during market hours. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire watch list today. 5 things on watch. Typically don't want to have 5, but GLD, it's kind of a more of a side watch for the time being, just because I don't know when that 4-hour squeeze is going to try to go. But if I see a nice entry, then you best believe I'm trying to go long on GLD. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Got everything. Let's get this over to Team Bull. You guys make sure to run up them likes. I'll give you guys the watch list. Alrighty. Oops. Thing I am watching today. Let's go get this money bag. And then I'm just going to give you guys a watch list now, even though we didn't hit the like goal. I got some stuff that I got to take care of before the market opens. so I got to dip out of here real quick. But as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. So here's SPY. Here's QQQ. Here's GLD. Here's Microsoft. And again, the plan can very easily change. The market could go straight down all day, for all I know. So this is just the plan for the time being. Market could change. And if it does, I'm going to look for a different setup. But everybody have an amazing day. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you in like 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some bread. I will talk to you all tomorrow, bright and early. And live trading tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so make sure you guys are here for that. But yeah, take it easy. I'll see you guys then.